Okay, we're going to try this again. Let's do an unboxing together. I've already unboxed it though, but my microphone wasn't working when I was shooting the entire video and I didn't know until I was done. So I'm going to go through everything with you again anyway. It was awesome. So a couple of weeks back, I was trying one of the teas from the Living History of Tea box that I had gotten from them a while back. And it was the Golden Monkey tea. And so I had mentioned then that I had purchased a full one because I really, really liked that tea. And I also had purchased prior to that the Oriental Beauty tea, which was amazing, along with some fruit oolongs that I will also be talking about very soon. So today I did my last video on the Living History of Tea box, and it was a perfect day for this shipment to arrive. So of course I got my Golden Monkey tea. So this is amazing. Love this. This will definitely be a staple in my house. And then I'd also ordered a mystery tea box. So it's sort of like an advent calendar, and I guess you could use it for pretty much anything. It's not really dated, but this is a beautiful box too. Look at this. Tell me that is not gorgeous, right? And there's little areas where you can pop them out, and I'm sure some of them might be similar to the ones in the Living History of Tea box, and some may be something different. I don't know what's in here. This one has absolutely nothing on it to tell you what's in here, so it makes it a really nice surprise. So instead of picking my tea like I did with the Living History of Tea box, we'll just all be surprised together. So I'm not going to open this now, but tomorrow I will definitely do a tea from that box. But the really wonderful thing is I love working with this particular company. They have very high quality teas. They have award-winning teas, and their flavors are just amazing. They're just brilliant teas, and I highly recommend them. Anyway, in the box, if you remember last time, I got a little tea pet that was a little dog, and it was the cutest thing ever, which is now on my tea tray. Well, guess what? They sent me another one. When I first opened it, I thought it was another little dog, and it's not. Look at this little fat panda. Oh my god, it is the cutest freaking thing ever. I love this. And also with that, I pulled this out. And this is really cool and funny and fun. This is a travel tea set. And the funny thing about it is a cat. So you can see the little head is a cat there, and this is a cup as well, but there's also 3 other cups on the inside, so you can share tea when you're on the go. And then it also has the strainer in it, but look at the holes in the strainer. They are little cat paws. This is so cute. And then of course your teacup, and then it all just fits back together in a nice little stack here. And you put that little head back on, and it's easy to go. You just put it in your little case, and whoop, I'm about to drop it though, don't want to break it. And you got your little travel kit ready to go for tea. Just need hot water and your tea. So thank you so much, 7 Teahouse. I love you guys, and I have much gratitude for you. Thank you. Your teas are amazing, and I definitely recommend all of you, if you're looking for really good high quality teas, go check out 7 Teahouse. I am not being paid by them. This is totally me purchasing items and trying them. But I am very impressed with them, so that's why I do these videos. So anyway, see you tomorrow with another new tea, and we will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.